Welcome to this video on capturing screen images of your 33500 series waveform generators, and this also applies to 53200 series frequency counters. Looking at the Keysight Connection Expert, you can see that I have a function generator connected, 33522B. Here's my VISA address, and I've called out a VISA alias of my arb. The commands we'll be using are here in the programmer's reference. One to specify the format for our screen capture, and the other to query the data. And note that that data is returned as a binary block of data. Now let's take a look at two different examples of actually retrieving this data. In this first example, we've used vPro to create a simple program that will go out and get the screen capture from your instrument, and then we'll write that data to a file on our PC. And here are the commands that we've called out. We specify the format with the two options, and we'll append the appropriate option here to the rest of our command. We then query the instrument for the actual data, and remember that that data is returned as binary data, and vPro handles binary block data really well. And we'll then call out the file name and write that binary data out to a file. So if we were to go ahead and run this, we can call out a file name, and I'll just do test, and we want to make sure that I use the right extension here, in this case bitmap. Save. Our program is done executing. And if we go out and look at our screen image, it's just an image of the front panel. Another example, this one done in Visual Studio. Here we used Visual Basic, and we used the VISA-COM library. This is done in Visual Basic, but could apply to other languages. You could have just as easily used VISA-COM in C# here. The concept will be the same. So if we look at our example here, we do have a reference to the VISA-COM library. We've then opened a session to our instrument. We'll check the IDN string in this case, and then we use the same commands that we saw in the last example, where we set our format, we query the instrument for the binary block data, and again, remembering that this is binary data, we use the built-in VISA-COM read IEEE block function, and then we take all of those values and write them out to a file. In this case, we just hard-coded it in as test1. So if I run this program, we hit enter, we've grabbed our data, we exit, and if we go out to our desktop, we should have the same screenshot, and there it is. And just to review, the two examples we just looked at will work for the 33500 series waveform generators as well as the 53200 series frequency counters. And thanks for watching.